Hi, and welcome to German Skool.
I'm Anna,
And I'm Mark.
and we're here to help you learn German.
We'll make learning German fun.
Let's get started.
Welcome back to German Skool.
where I continue to panic in multiple languages.
Today, we're learning how to introduce yourself in German.
That sounds achievable?
It is. We're keeping it simple.
I don't trust simple anymore.
We're going to listen to someone's first day at a German company in Berlin.
Oh no, a real conversation?
A real conversation.
I'm not ready.
Nobody's ready for their first German conversation.
That's not reassuring.
But that's why we're here, to break it down together.
Okay, I can do this. Probably.
Before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We post new episodes every week.
Subscribe if you enjoy watching people suffer.
He's learning, I promise.
Allegedly.
All right, let's listen. This is Sarah's first day at a tech company in Berlin. She's from Canada, and she's been learning German for about 2 years.
2 years? And she's still nervous?
German is German.
Great, I feel so much better.
Just listen. Ready?
No.
Perfect. Here we go.
It's Monday morning, 9 a.m. Sarah walks into a modern office in Berlin Mitte. She's wearing business casual and carrying a coffee. Thomas, her new colleague, sees her and walks over with a smile.
Guten Morgen. Du bist bestimmt Sarah, richtig?
Ja, genau. Guten Morgen.
Willkommen im Team. Ich bin Thomas. Ich arbeite hier im Marketing.
Freut mich, Thomas. Ich bin Sarah, die neue Grafikdesignerin.
Sehr gut. Woher kommst du?
Ich komme ursprünglich aus Kanada, aber ich wohne jetzt seit 3 Monaten in Berlin.
Ah, interessant. Sprichst du schon lange Deutsch?
Nein, nicht so lange. Ich lerne seit 2 Jahren, aber ich bin noch nicht perfekt.
Dein Deutsch ist schon sehr gut. Wie gefällt dir Berlin?
Mir gefällt es sehr gut hier. Die Stadt ist toll, aber manchmal ein bisschen chaotisch.
Ja, das stimmt. Berlin ist manchmal verrückt. Kommst du allein zurecht oder brauchst du Hilfe?
Bis jetzt geht es gut, danke. Aber wenn ich Fragen habe, frage ich gerne.
Natürlich, wir helfen dir gerne. Komm, ich stell dich den anderen vor.
Super, danke.
So, what happened?
Someone got a job?
Good start.
I heard Berlin
Also correct.
and marketing.
You're on fire.
That's literally everything I understood.
That's actually pretty good for a first listen.
Is it though?
You caught key words. That's how it starts.
I thought she sounded friendly.
She did. Did it sound aggressive?
A little.
That's just German.
Everything sounds like an argument.
It really doesn't. Your brain is just not used to it yet.
My brain is scared.
Your brain will adjust. Let's break it down word by word.
Please.
Let's start with the very first thing Thomas said. Ready?
No, but go ahead.
Guten Morgen. Du bist bestimmt Sarah. Richtig?
Okay. Guten Morgen, I know. Good morning.
Perfect.
Du bist something something Sarah.
Du bist bestimmt Sarah. Richtig?
What's bestimmt?
It means probably or I assume. He's saying you're probably Sarah, right?
Oh, that makes sense.
Richtig means right, like asking for confirmation.
So he's checking if she's the right person.
Exactly. Very common in German. You hear richtig all the time.
I can remember that.
Now Sarah responds. She says, Ja, genau. Guten Morgen.
Ja is yes.
And genau?
No idea.
Genau means exactly, or that's right. So she's saying, yes, exactly, good morning.
Perfect. You're getting it. I understood one exchange.
That's progress. Now Thomas says, Willkommen im Team. Ich bin Thomas.
Willkommen sounds like welcome.
Exactly. Willkommen im Team. Welcome to the team.
And ich bin Thomas.
I am Thomas. This is how you introduce yourself in German.
Ich bin Mark.
Perfect. That's it. That's your introduction.
That's actually easy.
See? You're already introducing yourself.
Don't get my hopes up.
Now he adds, Ich arbeite hier im Marketing.
Ich arbeite.
I work. Ich arbeite hier im Marketing. I work here in marketing.
So if I wanted to say I work in design,
Ich arbeite im Design.
that's not bad.
You're doing great.
I feel like this is a trap.
Now Sarah introduces herself back. Ready?
Sure.
Freut mich, Thomas. Ich bin Sarah, die neue Grafikdesignerin.
Wait, slow down.
Freut mich. Nice to meet you.
Freut mich?
Close. Freut mich.
Freut mich.
Good. That's your go-to phrase when meeting someone.
Freut mich. Got it.
Then, ich bin Sarah, die neue Grafikdesignerin.
Die neue what?
Die neue Grafikdesignerin. The new graphic designer.
So she's saying I'm Sarah, the new graphic designer.
Exactly.
I'm following.
This is the pattern. Ich bin, your name, your job or role.
Ich bin Mark, der Student.
Perfect. Der Student. You sound employed.
I sound confused.
Same thing in German. Now he asks, Woher kommst du?
Woher kommst du?
Where are you from?
Oh, that's useful.
Very. Woher, where from, kommst du, do you come? So, woher kommst du?
Where are you from?
Perfect. And Sarah says,
Something about Canada?
Yes, ich komme ursprünglich aus Kanada.
What's ursprünglich?
Originally. She's saying, I'm originally from Canada.
But she lives in Berlin now.
Exactly. Aber ich wohne jetzt seit 3 Monaten in Berlin.
Wohne is...
Live. Ich wohne. I live.
So I live in Berlin since 3 months.
Almost. Seit 3 Monaten. For 3 months.
Okay, so I've been living in Berlin for 3 months.
Perfect.
This is actually making sense.
Told you.
Don't get cocky.
Now, this is important. Thomas asks, Sprichst du schon lange Deutsch?
Sprichst du...
Sprichst du? Do you speak? Sprichst du schon lange Deutsch? Have you been speaking German for a long time?
That's a long sentence.
Break it down. Sprichst du? Do you speak? Schon lange, for a long time. Deutsch, German.
Okay, I see it now.
And Sarah says, Nein, nicht so lange. Ich lerne seit 2 Jahren.
Nein is no.
Nicht so lange, not so long. Ich lerne seit 2 Jahren. I've been learning for 2 years.
So she's been learning German for 2 years?
Yes, but then she says, aber ich bin noch nicht perfekt.
I'm not perfect yet.
Exactly. Noch nicht, not yet.
That's very relatable.
Very German. Humble.
I can use that excuse forever.
Please don't. Then Thomas says something nice. Dein Deutsch ist schon sehr gut.
Your German is already very good.
Perfect. Dein Deutsch ist schon sehr gut. Your German is already very good.
That's nice of him.
Germans are surprisingly nice when you try to speak German.
Really?
Really? Then he asks, Wie gefällt dir Berlin?
Wie gefällt dir?
How do you like? Wie gefällt dir Berlin? How do you like Berlin?
Oh, that's useful.
Very. And Sarah says, Mir gefällt es sehr gut hier.
Mir gefällt es sehr gut hier. I like it very much here.
Perfect. But then she adds, Die Stadt ist toll, aber manchmal ein bisschen chaotisch.
Die Stadt ist toll, aber manchmal ein bisschen chaotisch. The city is great, but sometimes a bit chaotic.
Exactly. Toll, great. Manchmal, sometimes. Ein bisschen, a bit. Chaotisch, chaotic.
I think I could actually say that.
You should. It's very natural.
Berlin is chaotic, I can confirm.
You've never been to Berlin.
I've seen photos.
Last part. Thomas asks, Kommst du allein zurecht oder brauchst du Hilfe?
That sounds complicated.
Kommst du allein zurecht? Are you managing alone? Oder brauchst du Hilfe? Or do you need help?
So he's asking if she needs help.
Exactly. And Sarah says, bis jetzt geht es gut. Danke.
Bis jetzt geht es gut. Danke. So far, it's going well. Thanks.
Perfect. Bis jetzt geht es gut. So far, it's going well.
And then,
Aber wenn ich Fragen habe, frage ich gerne.
if I have questions, I'll ask.
Exactly. Wenn ich Fragen habe, if I have questions, frage ich gerne. I'll gladly ask.
That's polite.
Very.
I'm learning politeness in German.
Character development. Okay, your turn.
Wait, what?
Introduce yourself in German.
I'm not ready.
You are. Start simple. Ich bin Mark.
Ich bin Mark.
Good. Where are you from?
Ich komme aus England?
Perfect. Ich komme aus England.
Ich komme aus England.
Great. Now say you're learning German.
Ich lerne Deutsch.
Perfect. How long?
Seit 2 Wochen?
2 weeks? Really?
It feels like 2 weeks.
Fair. But say seit ein paar Wochen for a few weeks.
Seit ein paar Wochen.
Excellent. Now put it together.
Ich bin Mark. Ich komme aus England. Ich lerne Deutsch seit ein paar Wochen.
Perfect. You just introduced yourself in German.
I did?
You did.
That felt surprisingly okay.
See, you're learning.
Don't jinx it.
Now let's listen to the whole conversation again, this time with subtitles.
Oh, good. I can finally understand it.
Ready?
Ready.
Guten Morgen. Du bist bestimmt Sarah, richtig?
Ja, genau. Guten Morgen.
Willkommen im Team. Ich bin Thomas. Ich arbeite hier im Marketing.
Freut mich, Thomas. Ich bin Sarah, die neue Grafikdesignerin.
Sehr gut. Woher kommst du?
Ich komme ursprünglich aus Kanada, aber ich wohne jetzt seit 3 Monaten in Berlin.
Ah, interessant. Sprichst du schon lange Deutsch?
Nein, nicht so lange. Ich lerne seit 2 Jahren, aber ich bin noch nicht perfekt.
Dein Deutsch ist schon sehr gut. Wie gefällt dir Berlin?
Mir gefällt es sehr gut hier. Die Stadt ist toll, aber manchmal ein bisschen chaotisch.
Ja, das stimmt. Berlin ist manchmal verrückt. Kommst du allein zurecht oder brauchst du Hilfe?
Bis jetzt geht es gut, danke. Aber wenn ich Fragen habe, frage ich gerne.
Natürlich, wir helfen dir gerne. Komm, ich stell dich den anderen vor.
Super, danke.
Okay, that makes so much more sense now.
Told you.
The first time I heard it, I panicked.
And now?
I still don't understand everything, but I get the main idea.
That's progress.
I could actually introduce myself now.
You could.
In a very basic way.
That's how everyone starts.
I feel weirdly confident.
You should. So today we learned how to introduce yourself in German.
Ich bin Mark.
Where you're from,
Ich komme aus England.
what you do,
Ich arbeite something.
and how to ask where are you from.
Woher kommst du?
Perfect.
I feel weirdly accomplished.
You should. You learned real German today.
Not textbook nonsense.
Exactly. All right, quick question for everyone watching.
Can you introduce yourself in German now?
Try it in the comments. Write Ich bin and then your name.
Or tell us how badly you'd mess it up.
Be honest.
We're all struggling together.
Next episode, we're ordering coffee in German.
Oh no.
Oh, yes.
I'm going to panic at a German cafe.
Probably.
Subscribe if you want to see that disaster.
You'll be fine.
I will not be fine.
Probably not, but you'll learn something.
German Skool, everyone.
Learning German.
One disaster at a time.
See you next week.
If I survive.